All right.
Okay, listen, we're gonna have a little bit of fun today. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. We prepare some of the stuff over here, Julio, Julius, and myself. Before starting here, I wanna ask everybody to please get your attention here. We're gonna do a little exercise.
My name is Venezuela. Everybody, go ahead and close your eyes and imagine a black and white picture, black and white setting, or imagine the world black and white. Well, the picture here is black and white. And you open your eyes, what do you see?
Maria wearing black and white.
Black and white. All right. Everybody finger paint, right? So you guys were little. You mix colors. What are the three primary colors?
Black. Red, blue, white, red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue?
Red, yellow, and blue.
No, really.
Really?
Green art classes.
The art classes, green, maybe?
Red,
Red,
Yellow,
blue.
and blue. All right. And when we combine those three colors, we make more colors, right? So red and blue makes what?
purple,
Purple. Blue and yellow?
green,
Green. And what's the other combination?
yellow, red,
Yellow, red.
Orange.
orange.
Orange. Okay. So we have all those mixtures.
Okay, today our topic is on chromatography. And if you divide that word into two, chroma means color, writing means graphic. Like you remember in history in elementary school, we talk about hieroglyphic, which is the way the Egyptians used to write. This topic is a very important topic because it is from standard 6 of chemistry in the California state standard. So you'll be tested on this. Some of the vocabulary words that we are going to use today will be chromatography, which I've divided it into two. Charges, ions, solvent, soluble, solute, migrate or movement, mixture, migrating phase, and separation. And some of these words too, for the English learners, you can dictate them also in Spanish. So
that'll be soluble, migrate, and separation. Those that I recognize right away.
So as regards chromatography, charges, you can use it in different forms, maybe in normal like positive charge, negative charge, and so forth. Generally, this topic is mainly talking about how you can separate a mixture by the movement of different charges. So by the movement of different charges or ions, so it's mainly talking about the same this word. Then solvent. What is a solvent? We've talked about these vocabulary words before, do some exercises. So what can you tell me, what is a solvent?
Thank you, Judith. We're gonna start now the activity. Unfortunately, we don't have enough material for everybody, so we're just gonna do a demo on the phone and hopefully you could get the idea. And you will see on the board several pictures of the steps that we're gonna follow to do this activity. You also have in your hands the procedure with all the steps, step by step, what you need to do. And this is something very important when we're doing a lab activity. You have to read what you need to do next. Because if you skip one step, probably the result is not gonna be the same. And then you're gonna be, oh, why is not working? Or something like that. So you have to follow step by step in the order that you have there. What's going to be important about the solvent over here and the line?
It has to be below the line.
Excellent. Did all of you hear that? Okay, very good. So let's gonna try this, and the next step, once you put this in, immediately you have to cover it with a watch glass. And sometimes the student says, what is a watch glass? And I said, well, in the old times, you know, old people, probably my age, they were wearing those round watches, and they were a little bit bumpy. Oh, Mr. Retreat is probably my age. So this is, I just remember this because the students remember the shape of this, a little bit bumpy, and we're going to use this to cover the chamber. So I have already my solvent here. I'm going to see if it's not over my line, and it's not. So I'm going to put it inside, and then I cover this immediately. At the very end, you're going to see something like this. Okay, so you're going to see the separation of colors. And you could see the composition of the different colors. When you write black, you're not writing only black. You're having a combination of different colors. When you're writing in blue, you have also purple and you have other colors in there. When you're writing with green markers, you have blue, you have green, and you have a little bit of purple in there. When we finish this, I'm going to ask you to do a summary of the process. You're going to do a lab report with the guideline that you have already. And we're going to repeat this probably tomorrow. We're going to have an extension where I'm going to give you an unknown. You're not going to know what color you're going to have in there. You have to identify that color using this method. You think you're going to be able to do it tomorrow? You're going to follow all these steps?
Yes.
Okay. Who could summarize this for me very briefly? What is this method? Can you see over here, please? No? At all? What happened over here? What are we doing here?
Are you taking for color? You're taking to see how much color is in those markers. How many different colors are in this marker?
Are we separating something here? No, we're not separating anything here?
We're separating the mixture.
Yes, we're separating the mixture. This color is black, but it has a mixture of other colors on it. Is that making sense?
It's migrating to the top.
It's migrating up, and you can see the separation of the composition of these different colors over here. Is that making sense?
Yes.
Although you get it now?
Yes.
Sure? Okay.
So why do the colors move different distances of the page?
Depends the weight of the charges. The weight.